Hi guys, we are going to see two steps binomial model. Let's get started. Two-step binomial model and model modifications. So how to calculate? As I've said you, there are two types of binomial model. One is one-step binomial model. The other one is two-step binomial model. So this is how we calculate the value of a call option or put option using two-step binomial model. So we'll take an example and we'll explain that. So firstly, the example goes like current price of Dunwich key is $20. The annuity standard deviation is 14. Strike price is 20. Risk-free rate is 4%. Value 2-year call and 2-year put. So that's what we need to value. So first, as we know, the U and D, we have to upper state and lower state of our stock price we'll have to compute. So U is equal to E raised to 0.414, which is standard deviation in the root of T. T is equal to time 1. So in this one key point we will have to remember is, don't take, because year is 2, don't take year as 2. We will have to compute it in a systematic manner. First you will have to find out the value of our stock at year 1, and then we'll have to move forward to year 2. So while computing U and the probability of upstate at 1 year, we'll have to take year as 1, then we'll have to take year again as 1 and take arrive at the next year's probability and upstate value of the stock. So while doing that, U is equal to E raised to sigma into root T. Sigma is given as 14%. So take 0.54 into root of 1 is equal to 1.15, and D is equal to 0.87. Similarly, we will need to find out the probability for reaching this upstate and downstate, which is given by E raised to RT minus D by U minus D. Here E raised to RT is given as R is given at 0.04% per annum. So the result is 0.61% at upstate, and downstate is 1 minus 0.61, which is nothing but 0.39. So the share, which is at 20, will reach 23 at TL1, which is nothing but 20 into 1.15, and multiplying 0.87 into 20 will get 17.4. This 17.4 will reach 15.1, either 15.14 at year 2, or 20, which is 23 into which is nothing but 23 into 0.87, or 17.4 into 1.15. both will give the result 20. This 23 will reach 26.45, which is 23 into 1.15, or 20, which is 23 into 0.87 at year 2. So now we have to value our call at year 2. The expected call value will be multiplying the probabilities of all these four with our call value at year 2. Call value is at year 2 will be based on the exercises and lapses. Here we have a call option with us. So if we have purchased a call option, we'll only exercise it after 20, because its strike price is given as 20. So everything is below 20 here, and after 20 there is only one probability, that is when if the stock price of reaches 23 and again it reaches 26.45, then only we will be exercising this. So that probability alone will be taking, that is 0.61 into 0.61 into 6.45, which is 2.40. We can also calculate like plus 0.61 into 0.39 into 0, and 0.39 into 0.39 into 0. Likewise we can calculate all these probability, but that will obviously result in 0, because this is the only thing we are going to exercise. So 2.40 is the value of the call after 2 years. So we will bring back it to now. For that we will have to use the 2 years. So call option now is 2.4 into E raised to 0.04 into 2, which is RT e raised to RT. So we will get 2.21. So now valuing put is very easy. We'll have to use the put call parity function, which gives put is equal to call minus stock price plus strike price into E raised to RT minus E raised to RT. So which gives 0.67. That's how we value put and call using two-step binomial model. First we'll have to find out the upstate value and the downstate value, then the probability of reaching upstate, the probability of reaching downstate, then the binomial tree we'll have to create based on the values, upstate value and downstate value. So, and then from the probability of reaching that here, reaching the upstate and downstate, we'll need to find out the expected call and expected put value, expected call value. Then from expected call value we'll be finding out the present value of present value of call value. From call value we'll be finding out put. This is the flow that we'll have to go while computing the put and call option values as per two-step binomial model. Thank you. Hi guys, if you like my video, like, share and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, please comment. Thank you.